Now I am going to discuss admission of new partner to the partnerships. In the partnership, there are more than two owners available. Therefore, profit earned by the business should be distributed among the partners. For that, we have to prepare profit appropriation accounts. That part already we have discussed part 1. But now I am going to discuss how to adjust if new partner was admitted to the business at the beginning of the year as well as at the end of the accounting periods. If new partner was admitted to the business, normally there are two adjustments should be done. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. New partner introduce cash as a capital. In the business point of view, cash increase, therefore cash account debit, partner's capital account credit. And second adjustment, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Goodwill created by the all partners. Goodwill adjustment. Goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Think about there are two adjustments. If new partner was admitted to the business, first one cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Right, there are two parts. First one goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill also assets. Therefore goodwill is assets, increase goodwill account debit. And goodwill created by the all partners, therefore it is relevant for all partners. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit by using old ratio. Think about how to record goodwill. Goodwill also assets. Therefore, goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit, but by using old ratio. Reason goodwill created by the all partners. Second one, goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore, should not be disclosed on the financial statement. Therefore, second part, goodwill should be written off. Therefore, goodwill account credit, partners capital account debit by using new ratio. Think about partners capital account should be debited by using new ratio. Partners capital account credited by using old ratio. First one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. There are two adjustments. Cash bought by new partner should be recorded as well as goodwill of the partnership. Think how to adjust goodwill. Then sometime it has given admission beginning of the year. Sometime it has given admission at the end of the accounting periods. If it has given admission beginning of the year, if new partner was admitted at the beginning of the year, therefore new partner also available during the accounting period. Therefore, when we are going to prepare profit appropriation accounts, all three partners, all the partners, new partner also should be included. As well as new agreement should be applied for appropriate profit. If new partner was admitted to the business at the beginning of the year. And think about how to calculate interest on capital. When we are going to prepare appropriation accounts, interest on capital should be calculated. Think about if new partner was admitted to the business at the beginning of the year, new partner also introduced cash as a capital. Therefore, when calculating interest and capital, it should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance. Let's now see the example. Question number 1, I am going to discuss admission beginning of the year. There are three partners available. First one, see the example. Ajit and Sajid, partnership it has given, trial balance as at 31st March 20. Profit and loss sharing ratio is given. This is profit sharing ratio for all partners, all ratio. Then cash introduced as a capital is given. Ajit and Sajid, two partners available, and current account balance also given. Profit for the year end 31st March 20 all calculated. You know how to calculate profit and loss. And drawings is given. There are three partners. Think about Ajit, Sajid, and Vijit. Now see the additional information. Think about admission beginning of the year. Vijit was admitted to the business as a partner on 1st April 19. Think about our accounting period end of the 31st March 20. 1st April 19 means beginning of the year. Therefore, Vijit also available during the country periods. And given cash bought by new partner, think about value in 1000, 220,000, and it is given goodwill of the partnership as at 1st April 19, beginning of the year. At the time of admission, was agreed as 120,000. And given good, an adjustment in this regard should be made through the partner's capital accounts. Think about important. Vijit was admitted to the business admission 1st April 19 in beginning of the year. Cash bought by new partner is given as well as given goodwill of the partnerships. Then Vijit also available during the account period. Therefore, when we are going to prepare appropriation account, we have to apply new agreement. This is old agreement. It has given proportion ratio. But now we have to apply these agreements. Raise and admission beginning of the year. New partner also available during the account periods. It has given monthly salary and interest on capital is given 10% as well as profit sharing ratio is given. There's profit appropriation accounts as well as partners capital account and current accounts. First one, appropriation account, think about. 3 partners available, Ajit, Sajit and Vijit. Vijit also should be included. Raise and admission beginning of the year, Vijit also available. Statement of profit appropriation for the year in 31st March 20. And net profit is given in the trial balance. It has available trial balance, net profit is given. Then it has given admission beginning of the year. Therefore, from the beginning, admission part should be done. Admission, adjustment, relevant for admission should be done through the partner's capital accounts. First one, take the balances. It has given trial balance. First one, try to complete admission part. It has given Ajit and Sajit, opening balance 200,000 and 250,000. It should be include partner's capital account as a balance brought forward. Then cash bought by new partner is given. It has available adjustment 220,000. Effect for cash increase, think about double entry. Think business point of view, cash increase, therefore cash account debit, capital account credit. Cash also assets, effect for cash increase, therefore cash account debit and capital account credit. This value should be equal to 220. Cash bought by new partner equal 220. Cash bought by new partner is given 220. Therefore, cash account debit, partner's capital account credit 220. Then think about next one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. It is given goodwill of the partnership equal 120,000 as at 1st April 19. Think about old ratio as well as new ratio available. First one, goodwill should be recorded. It should be done through the partner's capital accounts. And goodwill is assets. Think about old ratio 3:2. Total goodwill equal 120,000. 3:2 mean total profit share equal 5. Therefore, divide by 5 into 3. Divide by 5 into 2. This is old ratio. And new ratio also given 5:3:2. It total value equal 10. Therefore, divide by 10 into 5:3:2. Therefore, 60,000, 36,000 and 24,000. First one, goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill is assets. Goodwill account debit, partner's capital account credit by using old ratio. Therefore, it is given goodwill accounts, asset, debit, and partner's capital account credit. Only all ratios, all partners. Reason goodwill created by the all partners. And goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore, goodwill should be written off. Capital account debit by using new ratio, goodwill account credit. Therefore, goodwill is assets, goodwill account should be credit, and partners capital account should be debit by using new ratio. Think about first one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Second one, goodwill of the partnership should be adjusted. Admission beginning of the year. Therefore, new partner also available during the country periods. Therefore, now closing balance should be calculated capital accounts. Normally, equity account we can see credit side increase. Capital account is equity account. All the equity account normally credit side increase. Therefore, take credit side total amounts, take each column, and take the debit side. differential balance carried on. Therefore, this is a closing balance. Therefore, when we are going to prepare profit appropriation account, interest on capital should be calculated now based on their closing capital account balance. Reason new partner also introduced cash as capital as well as a result of goodwill adjustment, capital balance changed from the beginning. Therefore, during the accounting period, as a capital balance available, closing balance. Then think about how to prepare appropriation accounts. Profit is given in the income trial balance. It has already calculated. Then think about agreements. 150,000, 250,000, 200,000. Monthly salary is given. Monthly value. Therefore, into 12, you have to calculate annual salary. Therefore, as a salary or wages, each partner monthly value is given, into 12 value can be calculated. As well as interest on capital should be calculated based on the closing capital account balance now. Reason if it admission begin of the year. Therefore, closing capital account balance already calculated 212,000, 262,000 and 196,000. Based on that value 10%. Then think about net profit is given already deducted as interest on capital and salary. Then balance part, this one minus this one, take balance part, that is a share of profit. It should be distributed among the partners by using new ratio, not old ratio. Reason admission beginning of the year, new partner also available, that's given new ratio 5:3:2. Therefore, total share of profit 40,000. How to calculate? 114,200. That is net profit. From that value should be deduct interest on capital and salary. Then balance part equal 40,000. It should be distributed among the partners by using new profit sharing ratio. Total profit share equal 10. Therefore, divide by 10 into 5, 3 and 2. Therefore, all the appropriation part, think about here total value should be equal net profit and closing balance should be 0. Then this is a profit. Interest on capital, salary, profit share, all are profit. Effect for equity increase, all the appropriation parts will be recorded through the partners' current accounts. Interest on capital, salary, profit share. All are profit. Effect for equity increase, if equity increase should be credit. And opening balance, it has given trial balance. It has available trial balance, current account balance. That value should be included as a brought forward in the current accounts. Then think about drawings also given. If it has given drawings, effect for equity decrease, therefore should be recorded debit side. This value available in the trial balance. Drawings. Those are all recorded, but now it should be disclosed under current accounts. Then current account closing balance can be calculated. Normal equity account credit side increase. Therefore, take credit side total amounts and take the debit side. Then difference value balance carried out. Therefore, this is equity of the partnerships, current account as well as capital accounts. Think about important begin of the admission. New partner also available. Therefore, first one, admission part should be done. Cash bought by new partner should be recorded, as well as goodwill of the partnership should be recorded. Goodwill should be recorded through the partner's capital account, old ratio credit, new ratio debit. And when we are going to prepare appropriation accounts, if it has given admission beginning of the year, new agreement should be applied. Think how to calculate interest on capital. As a result of goodwill adjustment, as well as cash bought by new partner, capital balance change from the beginning. Therefore, when we are going to calculate interest on capital, you have to calculate based on their closing capital account balance. Those are the important things. Think about new agreement should be applied. Admission beginning of the year. Now think about if it has given admission end of the accounting period. If it has given admission end of the accounting period. Think about this example. Example 2. Dulce and Sinali carrying a partnership business under following agreement. Now there are two partners available. Monthly salary is given. Interest on capital 10% on the capital account balance. And profit and loss sharing ratio also given 3:2. This is the old agreement. Then given trial balance as at 31st March 20. Capital balance is given, current account balance is given, and net profit already calculated, and drawings is given. Now think about this example. It is given Rasmi was admitted to the business as a partner on 31st March 20 now. Think what? New partner is not available during the contract period. Therefore, when we are going to appropriate profit among the partners, you have to consider all agreement, old. Only Dulci and Sinali available during the contract periods. Now Rasmi is not available. Therefore, profit not relevant for Rasmi. Profit appropriation account, name of Rasmi should not be included now. Only for Dulci and Sinali partnerships. Profit appropriation. Balance part normal. It has given cash bought by new partner. This one cash account debit, capital account credit. As well as it has given goodwill of the partnerships. And new profit sharing ratio also given. It has given therefore all partners agree to share profit and loss 2:2:1. This is a new ratio, but when we are going to appropriate profit, this ratio cannot be applied. Reason Rasmi is not available during the contract period. Then given as at 31st March 20, it has given goodwill of the partnerships. You have to adjust goodwill also of the partnership. It has given goodwill of the partnership as at 31st March 20 now. At the time of admission, 500,000. Right. There are two adjustments should be done. Think about now how to prepare appropriation accounts. Now new partner is not available. And cash bought by new partner, goodwill of the partnership is given. Therefore, now when we are going to prepare appropriation accounts, only for Dulci and Sinali partnerships. Rasmi is not available, therefore cannot be included here Rasmi. Net profit, then salary, interest on capital, profit share. Relevant for only two partners. Then current accounts. Right now, think about first one admission part. Opening balance should be included from the beginning. Capital account balance as well as current account balance. It has given in the trial balance. It has given capital account balance as well as current account balance. Net profit also given. And drawings also given. Net profit should be included profit appropriation accounts. And partners current account balance, capital account balance. Then first one complete admission part. First one cash bought by new partner, 570,000. Effect for cash increase, therefore cash account debit, partners capital account credit. It has available additional information, cash bought by new partner. And goodwill of the partnership is given 500,000. This is the new ratio 2:2:1 and old ratio is given 3:2. Therefore, always goodwill should be adjusted to the partner's capital account. Old ratio credit, new ratio debit. First one goodwill should be recorded. Second one goodwill should be written off. This is the old ratio. Goodwill created by the old partners. Therefore, goodwill relevant for old partners. Therefore, first one goodwill should be recorded. Think about goodwill. Total value equal 500,000. This is old ratio 3:2. Therefore, total profit share equal 5 divided by 5 into 3. Therefore, old ratio value equal 300,000 and 200,000. And new ratio is given 2:1. Total profit share equal 5. Therefore, divide by 5 into 2 to 1. Value equal 200,000, 200,000, 100,000. Then first one goodwill should be recorded. Goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. And goodwill account available. Assets, goodwill account debit, partners capital account credit. Think about old ratio we have to apply. Old. Credit by using old ratio. Then second one, goodwill is intangible assets. Therefore, goodwill should be written off. Goodwill account credit and partners capital account debit by using new ratio. Think about double entry also. Capital account debit by using new ratio and goodwill account credit. Therefore, goodwill account available here, credit and partners capital account debit. Then closing balance can be calculated. Now think about goodwill adjustment and cash bought by new partner has recorded at the end of the accounting periods. End of the accounting periods. Therefore, during the accounting period as a capital available, opening balance. Think about how to calculate interest on capital. Then credit side normally increase, take total amount of credit side and this value take other side, difference value balance carry down. This is a closing balance of capital accounts. Then think how to prepare appropriation accounts. Now think about admission end of the year, new partner is not available. Therefore, you have to apply old agreement. This is old agreements. Only Dulce and Sinali partners available. Monthly salary is given. Therefore, annual salary should be recorded. It is given 580. Think about value in thousand. 580,000 into 12. 670,000 into 12. This is the annual salary. Profit should be distributed among the partners as a salary. Then interest on capital, when we are going to calculate now, you have to calculate based on their opening capital account balance. Reason, goodwill adjustment as well as cash bought by new partner, those are recorded at the end of the accounting period. Therefore, during the accounting period, as capital available, only opening balance now cannot be calculated based on closing balance. Reason, cash bought by new partner at the end of the accounting period. Goodwill adjustment has been done at the end of the accounting periods. Therefore, capital balance change at the end of the accounting periods. During the accounting period, as capital available, opening balance. Therefore, based on this value, opening balance 620,000 and 760,000, based on that value, 10%. Therefore, 62,000, 76,000. Then take total value second column and profit share should be calculated this value. How to calculate? Net profit is given in the trial balance 233,000. Then from that value already distributed among the partners as a salary 15,000, as interest on capital 138,000. Therefore, from this value deduct these two value, balance part, that is the share of profit. It should be distributed among the partners by using old profit sharing ratio. It has available old agreements 3:2. Therefore, here total amount equal 5. Total share of profit equal 80,000. Divide by 5 into 3 into 2. Therefore, total appropriation part equal net profit. Closing balance should be 0. Then all the appropriation parts should be recorded to the partner's current accounts. Opening balance available in the trial balance. Then interest on capital, salaries, and profit share. If it is given drawings, effect for equity decrease, therefore should be debit. Interest on capital, salary, profit share. Effect for equity increase, those are profit. Profit effect for equity increase, therefore should be recorded credit side. And drawings effect for equity decrease, it has given trial balance 115,000 and 110,000. That value should be recorded debit side. Then closing balance should be calculated. Normally equity account credit side increase, take credit side total amount each column and take that value debit side. Then difference value balance carried out. Therefore, this is the equity of the partnerships, current account balance and capital account balance. If they ask financial position and equity as a capital account, closing balance should be recorded, as well as a current account, closing balance should be recorded. Think about admission, beginning of the year as well as end of the accounting period. What is the theory? If admission is given beginning of the accounting period, new partner available during the accounting period. Think about this is an important theory. If new partner was admitted to the business partnership at the beginning of the accounting period, profit appropriation account should be prepared, including new partner also. And new agreement should be applied for calculate profit, as well as interest on capital should be calculated based on their closing capital account balance. But think about if new partner was admitted to the business at the end of the accounting period, at the end of the year, in this situation, new partner is not available. Therefore, name of new partner should not be included profit appropriation accounts. As given, profit appropriation account should be prepared old partners. New partner should not be included. As well as old agreement should be applied for appropriate profit. And interest on capital should be calculated based on their opening capital account balance. Opening. Important. Think what if there is admission, there are two adjustments should be done. First one, cash bought by new partner should be recorded. Think how to adjust. Think business point of view, what is a double entry? And second one, goodwill of the partnerships should be recorded. Think how to record goodwill, then think about how written off goodwill. Normally goodwill is recorded through the partner's capital account, old ratio credit, new ratio debit. And I will discuss later how to adjust retirement of old partners also.